Supabase versus Clerk. Which is the best? Hey developers, choosing the right auth tool in this year is crucial. I tested Supabase and Clerk for authentication, speed, ease, and features. In 2 minutes, I'll tell you which one's best. Let's jump in. Testing setup. Just built a Next.js app with user login, testing setup time, auth methods, scalability, and privacy. Both were paired with a PostgreSQL backend, using free tiers for fairness. One came out on top. Supabase. Supabase, an open-source Firebase alternative, offers auth as part of its backend suite. It's got email, OAuth, and magic links, with tight PostgreSQL integration for row-level security. It's free for 50,000 MAUs, but needs more setup for custom flows. Clerk. Clerk is an auth-focused platform with pre-built UI components for React and Next.js. It supports email, social logins, MFA, and user management, with a generous 10,000 MAU free tier. It's fast to implement, but less integrated with databases. Comparison and recommendation. Supabase shines for projects needing a full backend, database, storage, and auth in one. Its open-source nature and 50,000 MAU free tier are great, but auth customization is trickier. Clerk's plug-and-play auth, sleek components, and user management make it ideal for rapid development, though it's pricier beyond 10,000 MAUs. For most devs, especially on React or Next.js, Clerk speed and simplicity win. Try its free tier. Supabase or Clerk? Comment your pick. Test Clerk's free plan to see the hype. Like, subscribe for more dev tool battles. And I'll catch you in the next one.